You're welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, and in this new video I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Firefox browser to edit your PDF document. Now we are going to go to our folder to open a document. For example, let's say we need to edit this bank document and have it sent over via the email, and you don't want to go through the hassles of downloading and then having to print to hard copy and manually filling in the details to send to the organization. You can actually use your browser, your Firefox browser, to do this a lot easily. And what you need to do is to open up the form using your Firefox browser. You can easily do that by right clicking here, and then you click on open with and make sure that you select Firefox. And once the document is opened, you can start editing. If you look at the top right section of your screen here, you see a couple of toolkits that allows you to make edits to this document. The first one is text. Once you click on this, you select your color, you can start typing on this document. Just select a place and then you want to add your name. You can also use your mouse to position that correctly on the document, so that way you can go ahead and fill all the boxes properly. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually add your signature right here. Now what you need to do for the signature is to get a white piece of paper, and then you want to sign by hand on the paper. And once you've done that, you can use your smartphone to take a camera shot of your signature and then have it uploaded to your PC. So once it's uploaded, you can use a tool like this, remove.bg, to remove the background of that signature so that it becomes more electronic. I'm going to upload our signature. For the sake of the tutorial, we're going to be making use of this signature. Just the background of the signature is already removed, so just go ahead and click on download. Alright, so this has been downloaded already. Then we go back to our document. To add the image, you can click on this image icon, click on that, and then click on add image here, and then we are going to click on the downloaded image. Then we click to open. We can add a little bit of description and then save. The signature image is already added to a document, so you can size this image appropriately and then drag it in where you want it to be on the document. So you can also have this duplicated. Instead of having to repeat the task again, just copy and then you can paste and then drag it again to where it's supposed to be. So once you have done once you have supplied all the details for the data field, you can go ahead to save your document right here. So guys, there you have it. That's how to use your Firefox browser to quickly edit your documents online without having to download the document first, or without needing to use any sophisticated or complicated software to do this. I hope that's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.